Guide to convert 401k to Gold IRA with $600,000. In today's volatile economy, protecting your retirement savings is crucial. Converting your 401k to a Gold IRA can offer stability and growth. Here's a simplified guide to help you navigate this process. Understand 401k and Gold IRAs. 1. 401k plans, employer-sponsored retirement plans primarily investing in stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. 2. Gold IRAs, self-directed IRAs allowing investments in physical gold and other precious metals, offering a hedge against inflation and economic instability. Why a Gold IRA? Gold maintains value during economic downturns, providing diversification and risk mitigation. Steps to convert a 401k to a Gold IRA. 1. Evaluate your financial position. Decide how much of your $600,000 401k you want to convert. 2. Choose a custodian. Select a reputable custodian to handle the Gold IRA, ensuring IRS compliance. 3. Open a Gold IRA account. Set up a new self-directed IRA account. 4. Initiate rollover. Contact your 401k plan administrator for a direct rollover, maintaining tax-deferred status. 5. Fund your Gold IRA. Use the transferred funds to purchase gold or other precious metals. 6. Select metals. Choose types and quantities of metals for your IRA, such as bullion, coins, and bars. 7. Secure storage. Store metals in an IRS-approved depository for security and insurance. Important considerations. 1. Tax implications. Follow IRS guidelines to avoid penalties and taxes. 2. Market research. Stay informed about gold market trends. 3. Custodian fees. Be aware of setup, maintenance, and storage fees. 4. Diversification. Include other precious metals and asset classes for a balanced portfolio. Converting a 401k to a Gold IRA with $600,000 requires careful planning. By understanding the process and seeking professional advice, you can diversify your retirement savings and protect your wealth against economic uncertainties. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.